What? Acha. Yesterday I went to market and I bought a shari.
Yesterday I went to market. I bought a iPhone and my partner bought a shari.
Yesterday I went to market and I bought a pen and my partner bought a iPhone.
Yesterday I went to market and I bought a computer. My first partner bought a shari, and second partner bought a iPhone, and third partner bought a pen.
পুরোটাই বলতে হবে বলেন আপনি কি কিনবেন এটাকে বলেন
Yesterday I went to market. I bought a doll.
my first
My
partner
first partner bought a shari. Second partner bought a iPhone.
Third partner
pen.
pen.
And fourth partner bought a computer. কিনলো কি যেন কিনলেন আপনি ডল ওকে yesterday I went to market. I bought a shari. My first partner bought a iPhone and second partner bought a pen. My third partner bought a computer and my fourth partner bought a dog.